Hey everyone, welcome to my blog. Today's episode is all about a new adventure I recently embarked on, learning how to crochet. There is this awesome little shop in Jiyugaoka called Hobira Hobire, where I took a 2-hour beginner lesson and started my first project. This is the sample of the bag I started crocheting. Learning anything new comes with its challenges, and crochet was no different. My fingers fumbled, the yarn kept escaping, and let's not even mention the times I accidentally crocheted into myself. It's always important to have fun while doing this. But you know what? Despite the initial struggles, something clicked. The repetitive motions became almost meditative. I found myself getting lost in the rhythm of the crochet hook. My concentration was laser focused, and I found crochet to be extremely relaxing. Except when you're counting stitches. But anyhow, as I kept crocheting, time seemed to melt away, and before I knew it, the rows were turning into a bag. Voila, my first crochet project, a bag. It turned out to be better than I expected. Who knew I had such a talent for accidentally turning my glasses into a fashion statement? I wanted to start this journey in Japan for two reasons. One, to help my Japanese language learning by forcing me to read patterns in Japanese. And also, Japan is known for something called amigurumi, which is the art of knitting or crocheting animal creatures. I would recommend crochet to any executive or a person wanting to improve mindfulness. Crochet is probably one of the easiest ways to get into the zone. Overall, this whole crochet experience has been great. It's been a challenge for sure, but as I mentioned before, it was also a surprising, relaxing activity. This is my crochet journey so far. I'm definitely hooked, no pun intended, and I started my second project, which is an amigurumi dragon. I will be updating you on my progress accordingly. If you are ever curious about trying something new, don't be afraid to give it a shot. You might be surprised yourself with what you can learn and the fun you can have along the way.